going on, Angel? What's going on to the truck, bro? What's going on, Angel? Yo, what's poppin'? What's going on in the truck? Why you shy? Come on, son. Yo, Diego, bro. What's going on, Diego?
Fuck out here.
What's going on? Oh, you see? Okay.
Interview Mikey.
Hey, just
Yo, Mike, what we doing up in here?
Oh shit.
What we doing, Mikey? No, chill. You see what we about to do, Angel? Come on,
Bitches
bro.
out for Diego.
Hey, my boy Diego right here said he wants a little blonde chick with like 4'8".
Blue eyes, you said?
Oh! Jail audios in this bitch. No, just kidding.
All the bitches in the comments.
Bitches in the comments. Fucking hear me.
Yo, add my boy Diego.
In my lineup, 209.
What the hell?
Record the
Donuts.
Record our service.
Oh, bro, you know they serve good out here.
Customers.
Customer service.
See it? You
You
see
know these
it?
donuts they got.
I know they see it.
Here you go, sir.
Oh shit.
For excellent service. Here
See
you go.
Okay. We got the coffee. We got everything on deck now. What's up, Diego? You already know. What's going on here, Diego?
Fixing your gay ass shirt, lady.
Damn, like that? What's going on? You see it?
Tubs. You see the tubs? You see
We
the
got new tubs installed. We call Fab Bros right here. Quality work.
See that shit? There's nothing compared to them. There's nothing.
You see it? Okay. Stop, bro.
You see a boy Kevin? You see Kevin? Putting that work.
Right here, we got Diego right here. The brain, the master to this. You already know. Boy Angel came up on some coupons. You already know. Hit up my boy Angel's line. You see all that free. You feel it? Tell us up.
Buy them coupons.
Hey, link in the description.
Hey, you scan the QR code right here.
Hey, Nick, Jill, bro, I'm using this
Huh?
instead.
No, like other people can use it too. Like
Okay. My
you
fault,
go
my
online, purchase it on there, leave
Oh,
a donation if you want to, but $20 to help us
fault. Oh,
for
damn.
to get our third jerseys, you know. So just
Jerseys?
let us know.
Football jerseys, right?
No, soccer.
Oh, shit, my fault, bro, my fault.
We'll play
I
football.
thought you were
We'll
playing
play
hockey or something.
I'm really built like a fucking hockey player, nigga.
I would look like a goalkeeper for hockey.
No, soccer, yeah. So let us know if you want one.
Okay.
To Diego now.
My boy Diego over here plays golf, I think. My boy said buy my snacks to get new golf jerseys, a new stadium, huh?
And then you puck.
Oh, a new puck.
You puck.
This fool, bro.
You fucking puck, man.
What's going on, Diego?
Take this back. You gotta take this back.
You see the process? What's up? No silicone needed?
I like being on
The toe process, you see it? Okay.
the shit on my hand full of like
See what's going on? We got the Three Stooges
Yes,
right
sir.
here, bro. Yo, where we at?
Fuck with yourself, man.
We're in Oakta, you feel me?
Hey, copyright, bro.
Oh, my bad.
Copyright.
That
Come on, son.
wasn't more than 10 seconds?
Fuck your video.
Shit, turn that shit off.
Se ve una granja bien tumbada y paleta, bien distinguida, se les ve pura nena. Un vato tranquilón tira pura leña, que seguro se ve que van a prenderla. El rayo lleva faja, da una 40, no se le arrimen, saben que es la cajeta. Todo lo que mueve saben que es cosa buena, sin mover dedos se le mueve la empresa. Se preocupa por siempre.
We got the tubs installed. Tell them what's up, Mikey. Tell them what's poppin'. Tell them what we just did. Bro, what's up, bro? You see, we just got some tubs installed by Fam Bros. You see it, notched by Fam Bros. All this back here's been touched by pure Fab Bros. Y'all see it? Yo, hit up their line, bro. You see it. They ain't playing, bro. No silicone. Y'all see it. No silicone, boys.
Amarres el pinche zapato, no se van a tropezar, dice el hermano. No más porque ven que traigo, dicen que cambiamos porque superamos. Mucha gente va copiando el estilo y el puente que cargamos. Traemos la nueva escuela y vamos para arriba con toda la presa. Compra, cosechar y venta, esa es la meta, al fin la te arriesgas. Perdieron unos hermanos, pero siguen duro y no se han tragado. Radican en muchos estados, pero en California donde fueron criados. Nombres no he mencionado porque hay muchos actores que estén escuchando. Dicen que quieren matarme, de estos perros que vengan a buscarme. No me escondo yo de nadie, yo traigo la nieve para respaldarme. No dicen los dos hermanos con mucha violencia y un tiro al aire. No los anden criticando porque como muchos vienen de las calles, vamos por un para adelante.